Hey guys, welcome back to SalvageBoiz. Today, once again, we're working on the boat, but it's almost done. We're so close, I can taste it. So let's jump into it and start putting the upholstery on, start assembling the tower, putting the pods on, LEDs, everything. Let's just dive into it, roll some time lapses, throw some music on there, and then explain what we did. So stay tuned. All right, so I put these two tower deals on. Here's one, here's the other one. I want to try to kind of get the tower in here, kind of somewhat, and then start running the wiring, because I don't remember, I took all the wiring out of the tower, so I don't really remember how everything goes. Plus everything's going to be my way, so I'm thinking over here, I think speaker wire, somewhere else it's going to come out to be the light bar. So I got everything kind of set up. I'm going to set up all the rest of the tower to kind of see where I want to run everything and go from there. So bear with me. Here's the other piece of the tower. Alright, after some time feeding the wires through, look at this. All the wires are fed through. 4 speaker wires, 2 LED bars or 2 light sources, 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. So now I'm gonna shrink this thing and feed it through here and seal this up, and it'll be good. That's what I had in here originally, but everything broke, like the little connectors, all that stuff was broken. So for now I'm gonna make this not removable, but I can also put like a little connector or something in there inside. I can just unplug it and pull it through, or just make connectors for this. We'll see. I'm not planning to remove this tower ever. I can just tip it down to get it out of the garage, and I'll give enough slack in here to do that. So let's feed this through, shrink wrap it, and that's gonna be done over here. Feed it all to the inside, all the wires, and then just assemble all that up there. I have the lights pretty much ran. I just have to connect it in there, and same with speakers. I have to just connect it to the amp and put the towers up there. So do that and stay tuned. We'll get to the next part. You guys are probably tired of me saying stay tuned, but stay tuned. Alright, this is all done. I've put some black gasket material over here and over here. Now it's waterproof and it still has some slack in there. I ain't gonna mess with it because I already did once and messed it up. So I'm gonna let it dry. Well, that's it. That's done. Let's probably move up and start setting up how we want the light bar and all that good stuff. So next step is we're working on the tower, is installing these LED bars. Got them kind of pre-assembled. I'm gonna mock them up and start installing everything and securing the tower, and then tower speakers, and then I can wire them in. So just bear with me. This is a long process for all these videos, but thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. So let's get these up there and get them mounted. Alright, check this out. I got, as you've seen on the time lapse, I got all the speaker pods installed. I got them secured. Everything ran. 2 LED outputs. Got the LED bar installed. Let's see, here's the other one. Man, it's cold in here. Should have turned the heater on, but it's kind of busy. But you can see speaker 1, speaker 2, and then 3 and 4. So perfect, you know. I had to forgot that these have to go through the tube into the speaker pod, so to drill more holes, move them, and then on this one I ripped the wire. As you can see, there's a little bit of yellow, so ripped the wire, pulled the wrong one through, which is alright, not too bad. So just switched it to which wire goes where, and then had to splice that in there or solder that in there, but it's not too bad. Everything's in now. LED bars installed. I have 4 more pods I need to install right there. So I'm still thinking of how I want to do this. I want to do front and back because I have 2 switches, so I can do either front, back, or like front and back on one and then like interior on another one. It doesn't matter what I do as long as I'm happy with it. So so far I'm leaning towards 1 little LED bar and 2 pods facing back, then 1 big LED bar and 2 pods facing forward, so I can switch around. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, super happy how this turned out. As you guys can see, looks pretty nice. Really glad I went with the black tower and white pods, and I have black speakers in here actually, or maybe white ones, I don't remember, but their color, all kinds of things. So I mean, it's coming along slowly but surely, and then I have to deal with that mess in there. I'm leaving that for last. So alright guys, I'm gonna go and try to install these speakers in there. So now it's time to get this light out of there, this guy out of there, and start wiring these LED bars. Put some more pods on here. Gotta wire it in there. It's so close, I can practically taste it. So let's get to these LED bars. Alright, check this out. Got the lights installed, everything's wired in. So I have this light bar facing up, that's channel 1 with the reverse light. This doesn't go here. It's just a light up there. So I have this light bar and this light bar on channel 1, and then channel 2 is this. Gotta clean it up a little bit. Didn't feel like drilling a whole bunch of holes, so I just kind of mounted it for now, but I'll clean it up. So this is channel 2 that's facing down to the boat, and then there's 2 more up there. So I think I should have probably installed this before I did all the filming, because there's a lot of light. So check this out. I'm gonna turn my flashlight off and check this out. That's inside the boat. If you're cleaning it out, let's say at night, you light everything up, you clean everything, and off. Look at that. This is the light bar. I'll point right there. That's the bright one, and that one points back. And this is the interior, so it lights up the whole shop pretty good. I love this light bar. It's so bright. Looks like it's gonna shoot a long way. Get my head out of there, but that's it. All the wiring's done. I should have definitely put these lights in here because I've been filming like this, you know, or I could have been filming like this. should have put those lights in. That's it, you guys. There's the boat behind me. 95% complete. Make sure you hit that little bell notification to be notified when I finish the boat. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.